In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Slack plan. First, open your browser and go to slack.com. If you're prompted, sign into the workspace you want to upgrade so the changes apply to the correct team. If you manage multiple workspaces, use the workspace switcher or check the workspace name in the corner to be sure you're in the right place before you move on. In the left sidebar, look for the admin section and click it to open your workspace controls. Depending on your layout, this may appear under a menu like settings and administration. If you don't see admin at all, you likely don't have billing permissions in this workspace. In that case, a workspace owner or billing admin will need to complete these steps or grant you the appropriate role. From there, choose Manage Billing. This opens Slack's billing dashboard where you can view your current plan, payment status, and available upgrades. You may be asked to re-authenticate or confirm your identity. That's normal for billing actions and helps keep your account secure. Click Upgrade to Pro. Here, Slack typically shows plan details and pricing so you can confirm what you're getting. Take a moment to review the benefits and the billing frequency options you'll see later, especially if your team has procurement guidelines or budget caps. Next, enter your organization information. Provide the legal company or organization name, the full billing address, and a billing contact email that's actively monitored so invoices and renewal notices don't get missed. If your region requires a tax or VAT ID, add it to ensure taxes are calculated correctly. Confirm the number of seats you're purchasing so the invoice matches your team size. You can adjust seats later as people join or leave. Select a payment method. Most teams pay by credit or debit card, and some regions support additional payment options. You can typically choose monthly or annual billing, with annual plans often offering a lower effective rate. Make sure the card you use supports online recurring charges, and verify the currency and billing country are correct to avoid declines. When everything looks correct, click Purchase Slack Pro. Before confirming, double-check the workspace name, seat count, billing frequency, taxes, and total. If you're upgrading mid-cycle, you might see proration reflected in the amount. After purchase, Slack applies the upgrade to your workspace and emails a receipt to the billing contact. You can return to the billing page anytime to update payment details, download invoices, change seat counts, or modify your plan as your organization evolves. And that's the process. By going to slack.com, opening admin, selecting Manage Billing, choosing Upgrade to Pro, entering your organization info, selecting a payment method, and completing the purchase, you've successfully upgraded your Slack plan.